Our top story, 6 people accused of murder are now back on the streets. That's because Chatham County's District Attorney, Shalena Jones, dismissed their cases. They were handled by 2 indicted Savannah police officers accused of misconduct. A lawyer representing one of the men talked exclusively with WSAV's Sarah Smith. She joins us now with what he had to say.
Well, Stanley Hall is now a free man. He is one of the 3 accused of a triple murder in 2015. The victims are Anderson Mills, Gary Mills, and Johnny Green. The case against them were dismissed by the DA yesterday. His lawyer is applauding District Attorney Shalena Jones' decision.
To the point of tears. I mean, this is somebody that's had this hanging over his head for several years.
Michael Schiavone was happy to call his client, Stanley Hall, with the news that the Chatham District Attorney's Office was dismissing his murder charges. This after Hall spent time in jail for a triple murder he says he didn't commit. According to Schiavone, SPD Detective Daryl Repris knew Hall and created evidence against one of the other co-defendants. Charges were also dropped against Jarrell Williams and John Baker. Schiavone says his client had an alibi and wasn't at the crime scene.
The unfortunate thing about our system of justice is that you don't have a choice when you're accused of a crime. You're simply put into that position. And innocent people get accused on occasion. Not all the time, but it happens.
But Schiavone says justice has been served now. He addressed some of the criticism now directed at the DA.
And when the DA makes this decision, it comes across sometimes to the community as if she's not doing her job, or that somebody's walking away from a very serious offense, when the fact of the matter is she is doing her job by seeking justice, by making sure that she doesn't prosecute somebody that's innocent. And that is some of the hard decisions that the district attorney has to make.
Schiavone says there is no statute of limitations in murder cases, so they are never closed and anyone can be accused of a crime. When I asked if he thought Hall would be back in a courtroom for this crime, he says it's unlikely. Now you can hear from the district attorney herself at wsav.com/case dismissed. Sarah Smith, WSAV News 3, on your side.